Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix CarPlay not working with iPhone. Sometimes CarPlay suddenly stops connecting, which can honestly feel really annoying, especially when you need maps or music while driving. So let's go step by step and fix this issue easily. After unlocking your iPhone, simply open the Settings app from your home screen. This is where all the important connection and device settings are available. So we'll start from here first. Don't worry, because the process is actually very simple, and you can follow it in just a few steps. Now, inside Settings, scroll down a little until you find the General option. General contains many important iPhone system settings, including CarPlay settings as well. So once you see it, tap on it carefully and move to the next step. After opening General, scroll down again and look for the CarPlay option. As soon as you find it, tap on it, because this is the main section where your car connection settings are managed. Luckily, most CarPlay connection problems can usually be fixed directly from this page. Now, on the CarPlay screen, you should see your car name under Available Cars. Tap on your car name and make sure the Connection or Enable option is turned on properly. Sometimes, the connection gets disabled accidentally, so enabling it again can instantly solve the issue. If the issue is still not fixed, go back to the main settings page. There you may see a software update option available on your iPhone. Tap on it and check if your device needs an update, because outdated iOS versions can sometimes cause CarPlay problems. Now, if an update is available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. The update may take a few minutes, but honestly, it fixes many connection bugs and system issues automatically. So once the update is completed, try connecting CarPlay again and check if it starts working normally. If CarPlay is still not working, the final thing you should do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart refreshes the system and clears temporary glitches that may be blocking the connection. And luckily, in many cases, this quick step fixes the issue completely. And that's how you can easily fix CarPlay not working with iPhone step by step. Most of the time, enabling CarPlay again, updating the iPhone, or restarting the device solves the problem quickly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple and helpful iPhone tutorials.